Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a battery charging speed test between the Vivo S1 and a Samsung Galaxy A30s. A30s comes with a 4000 mAh battery size, while the Vivo S1 comes with a 4500 mAh battery size. Both phones comes with a fast charging, but both phones comes with a different type of fast charging. Let's quickly show you the charger that comes with right out the box with these devices. Samsung Galaxy A30s comes with a 15-watt fast charging with a USB Type-C cable, while the Vivo S1 comes with a 18-watt fast charging dual engine fast charging with a micro USB cable, which is a very bad feature on the Vivo S1. And guys, both phones is completely dead, 0% battery, no juice on these devices. So now I'm gonna connect the chargers with the same power source, and both phones comes with a 4 GB RAM. So let's do it. So now I'm gonna connect the cables with these devices and the power is off. So guys, now I'm gonna turn on the power source at the same time, and you can see both phones is showing me that the charging is start. So let's calculate the time on my Samsung Galaxy A7. Let's open the my clock and stopwatch start, and you can see and the timer is on. Let's decrease the brightness. So now guys, I will be back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. So see you guys after half hour. So let's see how much these phones charge. And guys, after 1 minute Vivo S1 is automatically turned on. So let's do the same thing with the Samsung Galaxy A30s. And guys, I'm gonna show you that everything is off in this phone, like Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, everything is off, no SIM card on these devices. Okay guys, I am back after half hour, exact 30 minutes. Let's see the battery percentage, and the Vivo S1 is at 38%, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s is at 28%. Definitely Vivo S1 is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30s when it comes to battery charging speed. And Samsung Galaxy A30s is also very fast, but it is not as fast as the Vivo S1 18-watt dual engine fast charging. About 10% difference there. So now I will be back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. So let's see how much these phones in charge in next half hours. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour, exact 60 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage, and the Vivo S1 is at 70%, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s is at 59%. So now about 11% difference between these devices. Definitely Vivo S1 is much faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30s when it comes to battery charging speed. So now I will be back after 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let's see how much these phones is charged. Okay guys, I am back after 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let's see the battery percentage, and the Vivo S1 is at 90%, while the Samsung Galaxy A30s is at 87%. And the difference is very close, 3% difference there. And guys, you can see that the Samsung Galaxy A30s is back, and who's gonna win this battery charging test. So see you guys after when phone is fully charged up to 100%. Okay guys, I am back, and Samsung Galaxy A30s is fully charged in 1 hour and 52 minutes. So definitely Samsung Galaxy A30s is definitely faster at the end compared to the Vivo S1. So let's see how much the Vivo S1 is take time. Okay guys, I am back, and Vivo S1 is fully charged in 2 hours and 2 minutes. So definitely Samsung Galaxy A30s is the clear winner, while the Vivo S1 in the start it is very faster, it is huge faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30s, but at the end Samsung Galaxy A30s is win this battery charging test by 10 minutes. And guys, I have to say again, in the start Vivo S1 is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A30s, about 8 or 9% difference there. And thank you so much for watching this battery charging test of the Samsung Galaxy A30s and the Vivo S1. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.